Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I want to talk to you briefly about one of my favorite books, and this is The Life-Changing Magic by Marie Kondo. The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, to be exact. So when you tidy up your life, you're going to notice that you will immediately feel better. The clutter in your life is what really prevents many people from moving on from their past. It prevents them from focusing on their future. One of the things she talks about here is that you have to ask yourself about every item in your life, does it bring me joy? And if it does not bring you joy, you have to, get rid of it. You can thank the item for serving you. You can donate it, you can throw it away depending on the state of the item. Of course, I always try to donate because I know there's so many people who need things. So I go to Salvation Army or any other donation center close to me, and yes, focus on the things in your life that bring you joy. And what I've noticed ever since I've heard this rule, does it bring you joy? I started to apply it actually to everything in my life. So I started to apply to events I'm invited to, people I hang out with, the books I read, the TV shows I watch, everything in my life. I ask myself, does it bring me joy? And if it does not bring me joy, it has to go. Or I don't want to spend my life doing things that do not bring me joy, right? I mean, we all have our obligations like jobs and things we have to do every day. So in my elective time, when I get to choose, I definitely want to focus on things that bring me joy and things that bring positive energy in my life, because I know that is how I'm going to bring uplifting energy and happiness and joy into my life, and it's going to affect how I act and how I feel and how I think. And all of this is connected. So again, I highly recommend this book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. I'll put a link down below so you can check it out on Amazon. All right, now thank you for listening and have an amazing day and make it an amazing day. Thanks. Bye.